it! Let's learn! Oh, my house is messy. It's time to clean. Come with me on a fun cleaning adventure. I pick up the toy. I pick up the toy. I dust the table. I dust the table. I clean the window. I clean the window. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I make my bed. I make my bed. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I hang out the clothes. I hang out the clothes. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I put the clothes in the closet. I put the clothes in the closet. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. Now my home is very clean. Let's always keep our homes clean. Keep your home clean and tidy. Bye-bye!